Why we didn't get invited to the Burnout contest.
It's obvious.
Because we suck.
It's obvious.
What the 100?
I'll give you another chance. Yo, it's the Crocs.
Can I be honest? There was a rock in my Croc.
He had a rock in his Croc. Uh-oh. Ladies and gentlemen, what we have... Get out of the camera. What we have here is a 79 Malibu. What do you have to say for you? Whoa, whoa, whoa. Who wears his shirt with their face on it? Wow, wow. It's getting bad, folks.
The hair is bad. There's a lot of things bad in my life.
He's a disaster.
It's the middle of the summer. My hairdresser is in Italy right now. I haven't had a haircut, right? I haven't gone to the beauty parlor, nothing. But things are... This is actually... Now I'm going to get angry.
Why?
Because this is the weekend of that stupid-ass Burnout contest in Connecticut that we didn't get into. Don't invite me. Guy that wears his
own shirt.
He's got his own shirt. And what?
This guy's got his own shirt.
I went to the bagel store this morning. They look at me. They go, and I go there every day. They go, you have a picture? I said, that's right.
Guy's got his own shirt.
I can wear it myself on my shirt. Do a walk around.
Hold on, turn around. We see the back. Look, you got something on the back too, a logo?
Neutral drive.
Wow.
Now,
ladies and gentlemen, you can get that merch.
Hold
on. You can get that merch.
I don't want you to buy merch. So don't go to our merch shop.
Wow.
This is a car you rob a bank in.
NeutralDropTV.com.
This is a car you rob a bank in. The left side is red. Get over here.
Oh, wait. Oh. Oh. I like what he did with it, Stuntman.
You could rob a bank, whack out 6 tellers and innocent people, and then pull up to the cops on the right side and wave to them. Hey, how you doing, officer?
And they'll wave you right through.
Go ahead, sir. Go ahead, sir.
That's true. Because they're looking for a burgundy 79. They're looking for a burgundy 79 Malibu.
That's right. They're like, that can't be the same guy. That's a white 79 Malibu. Anyway, what this car is a V8. I took it for a quick little test drive. I'm going to tell you something right now. I just bought a brand new 2025 Yukon Denali XL, top of the line 6.2.
All the bells and whistles.
Around 60. I am talking. Tell me about bells and whistles. It's got plenty of bells and whistles.
Anybody want to hear a bell go off right now with my left hook?
Anyway, that truck that weighs about 6,200 pounds will blow away this car.
But wait, you didn't get it breathing.
I didn't get it breathing?
Look, the guy even, look, he got rid of the smog situation there, the smog pump and everything.
Listen to me. I hit the gas before the thing barely moved. So now, if it doesn't perform, this is going to be another one where I may quit the channel and I'm going to start bitching and crying and moaning because that you guys that I don't get the correct type of merchandise. I get faulty equipment.
Listen, you're complaining before the complaining is warranted.
Got a picture of the interior.
Wow, has he got Grand National seats? Oh, I like what he did with that.
I don't even know if the brakes are good.
What you got, Stuntman? Wow. Ooh, that was close. She's weak, folks. She's weak. Ooh, sidewalk. Ooh, hole. Ooh, car. Wow. He might have stalled. Oh, it's got dual exhaust. Side of the Burnout too? I don't know where he's going. If he goes on the sidewalk, it takes my door off. Got a little something out of her. She's tired, folks. She's tired.
Get over here. I just realized why we didn't get invited to the Burnout contest.
It's obvious.
Because we suck.
It's obvious. rusty in his old age. Very rusty. I'll tell you what. You know what the guy showed me? It has a removable steering wheel.
You know what I like to remove? You know what I like to remove? My life! I'd like to remove my life! Yeah, keep it moving! Keep it moving!
Oh, let me get on the right side of the burnout for once. It's putting out more smoke from the exhaust than it is from the tires.
Listen. Before I embarrass myself anymore, let's get this air cleaner off.
That's gonna do it. Oh, wow. Why didn't we think of that before?
I'm gonna jump up 75 horsepower right now.
Wow. See what happens. You never know.
Just shut up!
Oh man, he's so angry. Oh, braided hoses. Wow.
I'm gonna pick it up.
We're gonna pick it up. We're filming. Wait, hold on a second. Now we're gonna see what it does. Let's see what it's got without the air
Don't
cleaner.
they say that they go faster? You get rid of weight.
You're lighting them up.
You gotta get rid of some weight.
Hold on, let me get on the other side of the burnout.
This thing feels like it's breathing.
Oh, it is. You know what? That was about 2.5% better. Say she might need a new motor, folks. I mean, you could lie, and we could lie to our great neutral droppers and say...
This thing was pulling after I took off that air cleaner.
We can lie
John
and say...
Doe knows what I'm talking about. You take the air cleaner off. It's like when you're getting laid, you pull the condom off, and you...
all right. It's a family channel.
I don't even know if that even makes sense.
It made no sense.
It makes
now,
no
let me
sense.
ask you a question. We could say that smoke dumping out of the dual exhaust was coming off the two tires. All right? A lot of smoke. Big smoke show, folks.
Is that what it was?
Yeah, it was bad. Oh, he's mad.
Fucker.
Don't cut your hands open.
I don't care if I do. Look at this piece of shit. What'd you pay for it?
I got it for
you
nothing.
paid free.
I got it for nothing.
He paid free. Go to Used Car Wealth and you'll learn how to pay free for cars.
Is that even a thing? Paying free? I tell you, it ain't half bad, folks. You know how many guys are gonna go, you guys suck. You could have turned it into a hot rod.
Shut
and
up.
A track
Shut
car,
up.
and you could
Shut
have
up.
drag racing.
This car straight out of the South Bronx, okay? So any New Yorkers, this thing could have either pulled up and was a piece of shit like this, or it could have been a mid 8-second small block with fucking 17 stages of nitrous oxide.
You never know, folks. You never know. You got to be in it to win
whoever
it.
says I don't clean up, hold on, let's do that.
You got nothing in the car. You don't clean up.
Hold on, let's do a ring toss.
Hold on. All right, you got one more try. You get in there, I'll give you $100. Oh! Listen to me. Step back. You get in, I give you $100 because you're a good kid. All right?
You know I need the money right now.
I know you do.
Like a hole in my head. I got
That's
too
why he
much
doesn't have a
fucking
haircut.
money.
All right, hold. Slow it
Ready?
down. Slow it down. Nice and easy. Get yourself together, okay? Get this
I'm
signal.
not even religious.
Get this signal from the catcher. There would have been a bonus if you got it on the mirror. You hang it on the mirror, it's 500. Let's go.
I just want the 100.
I'll give you another chance. Yo, it's the Crocs.
Can I be honest? There was a rock in my Croc.
He had a rock in his Croc. You suck so bad. It's nobody sucks more. Let's put it that way.
What's that?
You suck so bad.
There was a rock in my Croc.
You got a rock in his Croc. Folks, I got Crocs. I love them. I highly recommend
listen,
Crocs.
There's like 2 Club Wind coming.
No, that
coming
just
this way.
came now.
And that's for Costanzio.
Listen to me. You got one more chance. If you don't get it in, you owe me $1,000. Okay? I gave you 10 chances. Fair is fair. Oh, it bounced off the seat. It bounced off the seat. Folks, give me this.
I got
Folks, it went like this. It went whoop, 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 whoop. Boing. Oh.
I'm going to do it from distance.
He's going along.
Again, everybody enjoy your weekend.
Like, comment, subscribe. We are out. We're going to bring better stuff, I promise.